Is it going?
Yeah.
All right, round 3. This is gonna finish it off.
All right, here we go.
Damn. I see how you do.
I was waiting.
Yeah. Fucking scared. Wouldn't want to be fighting you on the street, huh?
You're doing good.
No, no. Ah, deflected. Whoa, whoa, slippery. Oh, I felt that one. That was good. Ah, yeah. Come on, I gotta get it.
That was a good one.
Damn, be hard on the swing. Ah, got me in my back. Look at me like. Damn, you're being more tired.
This is good.
I don't know how you're not that.
I'm tired. My arm's tired.
Whoa! I know what's up with me, slipping. Oh, that was too close to my neck. I'm dead. Oh, that's good.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ding, 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 ding. Woo! Still undefeated. Champion.
Yeah, champion.
That's my buddy. You're my tough buddy.
Fucking tired.
How you feel? Tired?
Yeah.
You did good.
I've ran marathons and not been this tired.
You ran marathons. Now. Boxing, your hands, they heavy? They feel like 100 pounds?
Oh, hell yeah.
Imagine if you had to do that for 15 rounds.
Oh, fuck.
While getting hit in the face.
Without getting hit in the face.
While getting hit in the face. Boxing. Crazy.
Oh, I'm leche.